That's wrong.
Grace, what are you gonna do now?
Be prepared to have your mouth and ear filled with spit.
So
And be prepared to not wake up with the phone battery. And be prepared to have Zach to my house. And I will stab him to death. I am not possessed. It's not real. It's not real. What's happening? What's happening?
Stuff's like flying at us. I don't really know what's going on.
We should show this to him.
I'm surprised it's not me this time.
Oh, I know.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna stab him.
Are you drunk again?
This is how she gets when she's not good at
Oh, you look like a kitty. It's really cute.
Watch this. Oh god, no.
Time.
Oh god, no.
Brie, I have to get it done with eventually.
Don't say it. Why? Don't stop me.
There's teeth in my mouth.
Dude,
No.
don't kick me. I'm trying to get it from.
Yeah?
Okay.